Let's see. Cars that will drive and park themselves will be on the market in 10 years, GM executives say. Hasn't been perfected, but the technology is, I guess, on the horizon to create a driverless car. And the company hopes that it'll drastically increase the safety and efficiency of travel. So, what do you think, Glenn Woodson? Without talking about volunteerism.
There is no, really, actually, the answer to volunteerism is that if the car drives itself, you don't have to park about it, you have lots of time to volunteer. So you set me up for that. That was so perfect. No, that's not what I wanted to talk about. Actually, what I want to talk about is that I appreciate technology. I love technology. It's great. Parking cars, doing it all themselves is great. I help my wife with parallel parking because she doesn't like the parallel park, especially with the truck. It's kind of a pain. But more importantly, the challenge with having all that technology is it takes away the fun. What's the use of peregrinating down US 1 and seeing all the beautiful terrain and the highway and the ocean if you're not driving yourself? Now the benefit is, if you're not driving yourself, maybe you can actually look at it and not drive off the side of the mountain and hit the water like it seems to happen once a month here. But the real challenge of those new cars is that as nice as they are, what they are not a 1940 Cadillac Series 90 V16. Oh, and if you don't know this car, there are only 51 of these cars that were made. They're convertible. They'll show up every so often, but there are only 51 that were made in 1940. You're not going to find many of them in the first place. They are the epitome of what you're looking for if you want a convertible. And for those of you who don't know, I have a convertible. I've had one for years. I love convertibles. They're fun. You put the top down. So really, when it comes down to it, the idea of having a car that parks itself and drives itself and you can just watch the terrain reminds me of a great science fiction movie, but it takes away the fun of what a car is supposed to be about, which is the freedom to get out there and enjoy and do something. Now, it's also utilitarian, but ultimately that's not what a car to me is about. It's about having fun and getting away. Madam.